Hey, my little tiny tots. I welcome you all to climb this colorful English ladder with me this week. Reach high, for stars lie hidden in your soul. Dream deep, for every dream precedes the goal. A very good morning to start each day with a grateful heart. Before we begin, let's remember our God. O Lord, give us eyes to see, ears to hear, minds to understand, hearts to believe, and mouths to tell others of your love and salvation. Amen. What a lovely thought for this day. Do small things with great love. Let us continue with the O family words. But now, this week, we are going to do the OG word family on 13 December 2021. Let us read some OG family word list. BOG bog, COG cog, DOG dog, FOG fog, HOG hog, JOG jog, LOG log, CLOG clog, FROG frog, and SMOG smog. Time to jot down the OG family words on 13 December 2021 in our notebooks. It says dog, fog, hog, log, jog, and frog. Girls, make sure you write it very neatly. On 14th December 2021, let us continue with the new O family words. Let us move to the OX family words. Here are some OX words: box, fox, ox. Time to write down the OX words on 14 December 2021 in our notebooks. It says box, fox, pox, ox, lunchbox, mailbox. Let's work out an OY family words on 15th December 2021. So here are some OY words. Let's read them aloud. TOY toy, BOY boy, ENJOY enjoy, COW BOY cowboy, JOY STICK joystick, ROYAL royal. Let's practice the OY words in our notebooks on 15th December 2021. Boy, joy, toy, Roy, and Coy. So here we have a new topic on 16th December 2021, that is article A and an. So let us know what are consonants and what are vowels. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and the consonants are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, and X, Y, Z. Let us have a more description on A or an. A is used before words that begin with a consonant. Example, a monkey, a donkey, a bear, and a snake. And an is used before the words that begin with the vowel. An eagle, an iguana, an ostrich, an elephant. Let me tell you how we'll write in our notebook on 16th December 2021. The heading would be A and an. Girls, very clearly I'm telling you, just make this a point and learn them. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. The letters A, E, I, O, U are vowels. We have 5 vowels. All other letters are consonants. We use A before the words that begin with a consonant sound, and we use and before the words that begin with the vowel sound. Example, an orange, a dog. Wherever the alphabet begins with A or E or I or U, we will write an. And any other alphabet than A, E, I, O, U, example B, C, F, G, K, L, we will write A. Let's practice the use of on 17th December 2021. Girls, I would like you to put your eyes on this image very, very clearly and notice the thing. These all words are starting with the consonant sound. A book. Here, a B is a consonant. Second word, a cup. A C is a consonant. A fish. F is a consonant. A tree. T is a consonant. A box. B is a consonant. A car. C is a consonant. So these are all consonant sounds where we write alphabet A. How do you say thank you? For sunshine or health? For clear days or gentle rains? For happiness, joy, or love? You say it by sharing what you have. You say it by making the world a better place in which to live. Thank you so much for your lovely presence and God bless you all. Have a great weekend ahead.